Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best pond pumps is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining a healthy and vibrant aquatic environment, ensuring optimal water circulation, filtration, and aeration for your fish and plants, and creating a serene and beautiful water feature that enhances the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. Number 5. VIVOSUN 1600 GPH Submersible Water Pump. Experience exceptional water circulation with this powerful yet ultra-quiet pump. Its robust design ensures reliable performance for all your aquatic needs. Crafted with durable silicon carbide, this pump is built for longevity and reduced wear. It's completely waterproof and features overload protection for peace of mind. Enjoy high output with low energy consumption. This efficient pump delivers impressive GPH while operating at a whisper-quiet 30 to 40 decibels. Reach new heights with its remarkable 15-foot lift capability. The detachable filter and portable handle make it easy to manage your water features. Installation is a breeze with an adjustable outlet and a long power cord. It's perfect for submersible or inline use in ponds, aquariums, waterfalls, and more. This versatile pump accommodates various tube sizes and can be used with filter systems. Its flexible design makes it suitable for both diving and land applications. What we like. This pump boasts a solid construction with silicon carbide components for longevity. It offers a high lift height and a detachable filter for easy maintenance. If you're looking for a reliable pump for larger ponds or water features that require significant vertical lift, this is a great choice. What people say. This pump is tough and barely loses any GPH when pumping at 5-foot head. Highly recommended. Ran without issues 24/7 since I bought it in the spring, though I did remove it for winter shutdown, of course. It's pretty much maintenance-free and easy to clean if needed, and its outflow nozzle is adjustable. It runs 7/24 from spring through fall, and I leave it in the pond over the winter. No issues with freezing or clogging. Cord is long and the pump has no issue pushing water through a 10-foot hose with 4 foot of elevation gain and delivering solid flow. I am very pleased with the suction power and with how much water this pushes over the waterfall. The pump is very easy to clean, as well. I like being able to remove the housing and clean out the impellers when necessary. It's quiet and operates as described. Our pump runs 24 hours a day 7 days a week. Number 4. VIVOSUN 1150 GPH 100W Submersible Pump. Experience efficient water circulation with this powerful submersible pump. Its innovative design ensures thorough water movement, keeping your aquatic environment healthy. Don't worry about water levels. This pump can operate in water as shallow as 5 mm, thanks to its smart bottom inlet design. It effectively removes debris for continuous flow. Safety and longevity are key. It features an anti-drying design with a thermal protector that stops operation if it overheats. Pure copper wiring ensures stable power and energy savings. Enjoy peace and quiet. This pump operates at a mere 28 dB, so you won't be disturbed. Its durable ceramic shaft core is resistant to acid and corrosion. This versatile pump is suitable for a wide range of applications. It easily connects to various water pipes, making it ideal for fish tanks, ponds, aquariums, and hydroponic systems. Setting it up is a breeze. The generous 5-foot power cord provides flexibility for placement wherever you need it most. What we like. Featuring an innovative bottom inlet for shallow water pumping and ultra-quiet operation, this pump also includes anti-drying protection. If you need a quiet pump for aquariums or small ponds where minimal disturbance is key, and you want the assurance of protection against dry running, consider this option. What people say. It draws water from the bottom of the pump, so you have to run absolutely dry for it to quit working. It's powerful and rugged. And I like that there is a threaded output on the top, so I can just run a straight piece of PVC pipe up the middle of my garden. Great pump. I use it for the water changes in my aquarium and it moves water pretty fast. It's also very quiet. I like the build quality of this thing. The outlet hose greatly impacts the effectiveness of the pump. The attachments allow for 1 2-inch to 1 hoses, which is a great thing, but be warned, if you use a smaller diameter hose the gallons per min will be greatly reduced. I had a 1 2-inch hose and it was taking forever to pump out a 100-gallon tub. Took almost 40 minutes. But then I did a test with a 1-inch hose and OMG, it was like a Las Vegas water attraction in my backyard. Makes the big difference, and I bet it allows the pump to work a little less hard when not restricted. Number 3. VIVOHOME 100W Submersible Water Pump. Experience robust water movement with this powerful submersible pump. It delivers an impressive 1,600 gallons per hour and a maximum lift height of 15 feet, providing versatile water circulation for various applications. Built with high-quality materials including a ceramic motor shaft and silicon carbide drive ring, this pump is designed for longevity. Its epoxy resin-sealed motor offers superior water resistance and reliable operation. This pump utilizes advanced magnetic drive motor technology for efficient operation with minimal energy consumption. Its oil-free design and quiet performance ensure a peaceful environment. Easily adjust the water outlet direction to meet different spraying needs. The outlet valve is compatible with 2 adapter sizes, making it versatile for various tubing requirements. A protective mesh shield keeps out debris, reducing maintenance. It also features a portable handle, a long power cord, and suction cups for stable operation. What we like. This pump delivers powerful water circulation with a durable ABS construction and adjustable flow direction. It's ideal for those who need robust water movement in koi ponds, waterfalls, or hydroponic systems and appreciate the flexibility to direct the flow precisely. What people say. The pump has a powerful flow rate, easily circulating water in my large pond. Installation was straightforward, and the adjustable flow control is a great feature. It operates very quietly, which is a huge plus for my backyard oasis. Number 2. AquaMiracle All-in-One Pond Waterfall Kit with LED Lights. Transform your pond or garden into a stunning water feature with our all-in-one waterfall kit. It's designed to bring beauty and tranquility to your outdoor space. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, this spillway is built for durability. It resists corrosion and weather, ensuring it looks great for years to come. Experience a powerful 660 GPH pump that keeps water flowing smoothly. Built-in filtration prevents clogs and debris, maintaining clean and clear water effortlessly. Add a magical ambience to your water feature with remote-controlled LED lights. Enjoy a captivating glow day and night, creating a truly enchanting atmosphere. This complete kit includes everything you need for easy installation. It's perfect for ponds, gardens, pools, and any outdoor space you want to enhance. Everything you need is in the box: spillway, pump, tubing, filters, LED lights, and all necessary fittings. Get ready to enjoy your beautiful new water feature right away. What we like. This is a complete all-in-one kit featuring a 304 stainless steel spillway and remote-controlled LED lights for a stunning visual effect. If you desire an easy-to-install waterfall feature that adds both ambience and a beautiful water display to your garden or backyard, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The pump is awesome, nice and strong. The lights are good too, has many settings. The waterfall looks incredibly nice. The lights add a wonderful touch, and it was very easy to assemble. No leaks, and very fast to connect. Looks great in my pond, colors are very bright. Number 1. VIVOSUN 800 GPH Submersible Pump. Introducing the VIVOSUN 800 GPH Submersible Pump, designed for powerful yet quiet operation. It delivers an impressive 800 GPH flow rate to meet all your water circulation needs. With a maximum lift height of 10 feet and adjustable flow control, you can customize the water pressure precisely. Simply turn the knob or switch nozzles to achieve your desired effect. This compact pump is incredibly easy to disassemble and clean, requiring no tools. Its small size also makes it simple to hide discreetly within your setup. Place it flat, angled, or vertically. This pump offers multiple mounting options. You can manually rotate it to achieve the perfect position for any application. This energy-efficient pump is perfect for a wide range of uses. It's an excellent choice for fish tanks, ponds, fountains, hydroponics, and irrigation systems. What we like. With an adjustable flow rate, compact size, and tool-free disassembly for easy cleaning, this pump offers great versatility. If you need a small, efficient pump for various applications like fish tanks or small fountains, and value the ability to fine-tune the water flow and perform quick maintenance, this is an excellent pick. What people say. It pumps up around the 5 feet mark with no problems. It pumps so much water that I keep the intake screen closed and it pumps the perfect amount for my plants. Has been submerged in water for 2 years and still works perfect. The pump is adjustable and came with multiple nozzles, which was nice. It puts out a steady stream and does not splash. It comes with 3 sizes for the tube and one fits just right. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.